I remember sitting in front of him and he said, यार तू तो हीरो है. मैंने बोला हाँ सर, तो क्या बना दो फिर. मैं तो पकड़ रहा था उसको. ओए ओए.
Hey guys, this is Manjari Mukherjee and you're watching me on Pub Diaries channel and I'm in conversation with, well, guys, वो चोर होंगे but वो दिलों के चोर हैं. So I am going to be in conversation with the very favorite, the ones I have been waiting for since very long time, the one and only हमारे बंटी and हमारे बबली, सिद्धांत चतुर्वेदी and शर्मी वाघ.
Hello.
Hi Manjari. Such a sweet introduction.
I know.
Thank you.
दिलों के चोर.
You have a very cute smile.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
And also you're Mukherjee.
Yeah.
Yes.
तारीफ तो बनती है आपकी.
Oh my god, thank you so much. Okay, firstly, I'd like to know this one thing. Bunty and Bubbly, okay, हम लोग ने पहला वाला एक देखा है and we all love it. But I want to know reaction कैसा था when you got the offer of doing the second one? I mean, what was the reaction? Was it, oh my god, मिल गया?
It was very much like that. It was exactly that actually. But I think I was auditioning for Yash Raj for a very long time, since almost 2015. So I had auditioned for multiple films and this was the one that I actually got shortlisted for. And मुझे actually वरुण शर्मा जो हमारे डायरेक्टर हैं और शानू शर्मा जो हमारी कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर हैं, उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया था. उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि आप एक फिल्म के लिए सिलेक्ट हो चुके हैं. उस फिल्म का नाम है बंटी और बबली 2.
Wow.
So I was shocked. Like I was looking at their faces for good like 2 minutes, and then I looked at them and I said, please give me 5 minutes and don't judge me on the next 5 minutes because I need to contain my excitement क्योंकि आप shortlist तो हो गए हो, आपने sign नहीं किया था. So I kept feeling like I have to still like present myself and be Bunty Bubbly too. So I came back. That's fine. No, so I went back and I had a really broad smile on my face, and throughout that entire meeting I was smiling so much that my cheeks were hurting. And then I met Adi sir who gave me the final script and told me that this would be your first film and be a wire of talent. So for me, Bunty Bubbly 2 and being a wire of talent meant a huge deal.
Wow, super. But seriously, way to go, Yashar.
Thank you.
Seriously, hats off to that.
Thank you.
Over to you, Siddhant.
Well, it was right after Gully Boy. I think Adi sir had watched the film and he called me and he said, I remember sitting in front of him and he said, यार तू तो हीरो है. मैंने बोला हाँ सर, तो क्या बना दो फिर. तो he's like, अच्छा तो ये फिल्म है बंटी और बबली. मैंने बोला सर हाँ, उसका सीक्वल. बोला ओके. और उसके बाद उन्होंने कहा कि ये है स्क्रिप्ट और वरुण वी शर्मा जो हमारे डायरेक्टर हैं उन्होंने नरेट किया मुझे और मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. जितना मैं आई थिंक पहले वाली में हंसा था उससे कई ज़्यादा इसमें हंसा हूँ. और एज अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फ़ैन आपको लगता है कि यार बना के कहीं ऐसे नहीं हो जाए कि बिकॉज इतनी आइकॉनिक है तो उसको छूना भी ऐसे डर लगता है थोड़ा. लेकिन जब मैंने सुनी मैंने कहा यार ये तो है और मज़ा आएगा ये करने में. और बहुत ज़रूरी था मेरे लिए. वो MC शेर की इमेज जो है काफ़ी लोगों को पसंद आई थी, लेकिन उसको उससे हटके कुछ करना, बिकॉज एज एन एक्टर कई बार वो प्रॉब्लम भी हो जाती है. बिकॉज अगर आप एक कैरेक्टर आपका बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस हो गया तो लोग आपको वैसे ही जानते हैं.
Yes, true, very true.
तो मेरे लिए बंटी बनना बहुत ज़रूरी था और बंटी के ज़रिए बहुत सारे अलग किरदार करने ज़रूरी थे ताकि एक रेंज एज एन एक्टर समझ में आ जाए लोगों को कि अच्छा ये नहीं है, ये बहुत सारी चीज़ें कर सकता है. तो मेरे लिए आई थिंक ये परफेक्ट मैच था. और मैं काफ़ी फिल्में मतलब मैं सुन रहा था फिल्में, मैं ढूंढ रहा था, लेकिन जब यश राज और बंटी और बबली और इतने सारे कैरेक्टर्स और गाने और एक्शन और इतनी सुंदर हीरोइन,
Right?
तो फिर
Come on, true, very true.
तो फिर क्या है, पांचों उंगलियां घी में मेरी.
Okay. But what was your reaction when you heard that Rani and Saif is going to be in the movie with you and you have to be on par? Like, they have a legacy of their own. Being on par with them is completely something that I cannot imagine. Obviously, I can't act. But you guys, tremendous talent. And for you, Sharvari, especially for you, what was it like?
See, I feel like for us, we were huge fans of Rani ma'am and Saif sir. So one, we were very excited यार कि उनके साथ काम करने का मौका मिल रहा है. That too in your first film, इतना सीखने का मौका मिलेगा. So I think it was not pressure, it was more that fangirl moment कि यार इनके साथ काम करने का मौका मिलेगा. And along with that, I think Bunty or Bubbly, of course, is a con couple, you know. None of them are singular in the sense of the film.
Yes.
Siddhant and I have known each other for a very long time, actually. We used to audition together. We used to meet each other at Aram Nagar many, many times. So when I found out that Siddhant is Bunty, I knew that there is going to be something very special because both of us have struggled for so long that we knew that we were going to do our best. You
This
know?
is destiny.
Yeah.
Okay, over to you, Siddhant.
Yeah, it was quite overwhelming to be working with such iconic stars. Being a huge fan, I've seen their work, and to be at par. Well, I don't think we can ever be at par with them. But all we can do is run away from them. That's what we do in this film. So watch it on the 19th.
Very smartly put out. Oh my god, I like it. Okay, if I had to ask you, okay, whether you would want to do away, okay, with box office and collections and ratings, agar in sab se you want to do away, what would your reaction be? Would you be like going away, going with it, or would you be like कि नहीं होना चाहिए? Because at the end of the day, it is also one factor of encouraging you to do much more better work.
Trick question.
Trick question. Would you like to take it?
Honey, I come from a finance background. I was doing my chartered accountancy, so I love the numbers. So, yeah, the numbers
Very
do
nice.
speak, and also it's, I think, in a way, they kind of symbolically tell you that how much people love you.
Yeah.
जितने numbers होंगे, भले I know commerce के जरिए आप देख रहे हैं, but मैं वो देख रहा हूँ कि वो कितना प्यार है, वो जो 100 करोड़ जो होते हैं,
Yeah.
वो 100 करोड़ मतलब उसमें कितना प्यार है, कितनी मेहनत से एक आम आदमी पैसे कमाता है, काम पे जाता है, उसके बाद वो उसमें से कुछ निकाल के एक फिल्म देखने जाता है, तो और उसको वो फिल्म अच्छी लगती है, तो फिर वो जो वो प्यार है ना, जो वो बहुत ज़्यादा आई थिंक दुआएं हैं, वो 100 करोड़ रुपए तो क्या है, वो दुआएं हैं.
And I also think कि as people from this industry and as producers who put so much confidence in actors, in a lot of people, because it's not just 4 actors that you see on a poster, right?
True.
It's a very big industry, and a lot of people's homes work on the films that are made. So when of course the numbers are also love, but they also are people's income, so I think that it's encouraging for a lot of people.
That's very true. Intelligent answers, guys. Seriously. Trick question tha. Okay. One embarrassing, hilarious moment from Bunty and Bubbly 2.
मुझे इसका पता है.
मेरा?
Prosthetic.
We need to know this one. Yes.
बता दूं मैं?
कौन सा? मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है.
तो सुबह सुबह हम लोग प्रोस्थेटिक्स के लिए बैठते थे, और अलग अलग आपने देखे हैं किरदार दिख रहे हैं उसमें. प्रोस्थेटिक्स काफ़ी मतलब 4-5 घंटे लगते थे. तो एक बार हुआ क्या कि सुबह सुबह 5 बजे ये आई और शुरू किया गया, जो वो वाला कैरेक्टर नहीं है कि इकड़े या फालतूगिरी चालू है, तो वो वाला जो कैरेक्टर है ना, वो अब देखेंगे ज़रा, तो उसमें काफ़ी सबसे ज़्यादा समय लगा इनको.
7-8
Yes,
घंटे
there is
लगते
a
थे.
character which
Yes.
I couldn't recognize.
ये
तो जब ये तैयार हुई है, मतलब 6-7 घंटे बाद, तो हमारे डायरेक्टर आ रहे हैं और सब बैठा दिया इनको तैयार देखने के लिए कि मतलब वर्क कर रहा है नहीं, तो डायरेक्टर आ गए, देख रहे हैं ऊपर से नीचे तक 2-3 लोग आ गए, ऐसे देख रहे हैं,
सब मेरी
सब
शक्ल
लोग
के
ऐसे आ रही है,
सामने.
ऐसे बैठी हुई है, मतलब ये जो बनना था वो तो पता नहीं, वो चाची 420 की कमल हसन लग रही थी.
But seriously, the moment I saw it, even in the trailer, I saw the glimpse and I was like, who is she?
I must tell you that we did rework that whole thing. That's not the one, but
नहीं,
ये जो
बेचारी
मेरा
को
ये look test
फिर
की
से
बात हो
बैठना
रही
पड़ा
थी.
यार, मतलब सोचो आप वापस बैठना पड़ा इसको उतने देर करने में. वो
I also think मेरे लिए सबसे embarrassing moment एक और रहा है. I think मेरे साथ काफी embarrassing moments हुए, which was लवजू गाने में ना एक पोर्शन है जिसमें एक स्लो मोशन में मैं और सिद्धांत गोवा की गलियों में भाग रहे हैं, और हम भाग रहे थे, and there's this particular moment where
Yes, I have seen that.
yes, तो ऐसे बाल उठ रहे हैं, it's a beautiful moment,
Yeah, it is.
and in that slow motion I have fallen backwards fully.
Oh my
ये
god.
ऐसे ऐसे
ऐसे
भाग
ऐसे and
I
my God.
think Siddhant, what was your reaction?
मैं
I
तो
think
पकड़ रहा था उसको, ओए
I think the editor has had a ball because हमारे जो slow motion में reactions गए इसका मुझे पकड़ने का और मेरा of course गिरने का but मेरे लिए I think वो
फिर
काफी
उसके बाद
embarrassing था.
इनकी कवर हो गई, लचक गई इनकी कमर.
हाँ.
उसके बाद ये पूरे
अरे.
शूट में बेचारी ने पूरा जो आप गाना देखेंगे, जो जितना भी है सब कुछ इतना ग्रेसफुली लग रहा है, लेकिन वो तकिया लेके बैठती थी, बैठ भी नहीं पाती.
Okay. We have a very small challenge, okay, to understand the chemistry between Siddhant and Sharvari. हम लोग ने बंटी एंड बबली का तो देखेंगे हम लोग, but now we need to understand what is the chemistry between you guys. So are you guys ready?
Yeah.
कुछ तो गड़बड़ है.
तू डरा रही है.
Okay. So for not 1 minute, but till any one of you stops, you both have to say rant about each other, like how you guys irritated each other, annoyed each other, loved each other. कैसा था?
अच्छा, loved
Everything.
है. I thought you
Yes,
should
everything.
Till
झगड़ा
anybody
करवा
stops
रही
as
है.
in
Till both of you are going to start together, and then जो भी पहले रुकता है, it's like somebody has to stop. Somebody will be out of things to say, ना?
ये बड़ा हेक्टिक लग रहा है ये वाला.
hectic.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
ये
Siddhant
बहुत
is
ज्यादा
really
बहुत-
handsome. Siddhant is very
मैं तो
tall.
बुराई करने वाला था,
I
इसने तो
think
अच्छा से
that,
शुरू कर दिया, but
Siddhant
ठीक
रुक गया
है.
already.
बहुत
And
सुंदर
I
थी ये,
think that,
बहुत सुंदर लग रही
Siddhant
है.
is a
और
great
उसके
team
बाद
sport.
ये
I think Bunty और Bubbly is a
ऐसे हंसती है,
pair,
बहुत
and
जोर-जोर
I
से
really
हंसती है,
think
लेकिन ठीक है,
that
इसकी
I
स्माइल
think-
बड़ी
I think
क्यूट है,
Sharvari
काफी
will
लाउड
win
है.
this
and
Sharvari definitely wins this out. Okay.
अच्छाई हमेशा जीतती है.
Okay. this
औरतें
is
इसमें हमेशा जीतती हैं.
Okay, last challenge, a compatibility challenge.
Okay.
I'm gonna name some things and you guys have to answer for each other. Okay.
Okay.
Not for yourselves. Name 3 things you both completely 100% agree on.
A passion for acting. We both love dancing.
Yeah.
Siddhant, you should also participate.
I mean, I think it's 3 or 3, right?
Yeah, like kind of for you also 3. Okay, chal.
Chal, we'll do 2-2. I'll give it to now. Siddhant can give.
We completely agree on our fashion choices, as you can see.
That is true. Very true.
And we completely agree on what do we agree on?
Oh my god.
We completely agree on how we've reached to this place and the,
Yeah, the
the
journey.
work
We
that
completely
the
yeah,
journey.
the journey. Yeah.
Emotional. Okay. The worst and the best about each other.
The worst and the best.
The worst about her.
I think for me it's both worst and best. Worst is also him tongue khichawing all the time, and the best is also that because it's fun. I like laughing at myself also.
The worst about her is that she gets, she's sensitive. I mean, if somebody is saying something, she'll really take it to her heart and all, and start thinking about it. So she's very sensitive. I think that's because if you want to, in this line, you'll have to,
Yes, very true.
can't like keep your ears, and the best thing about her is that she is very, she's very warm as a person. She understands. She will not, she has a good tolerance of bullshit.
That's coming from the fact that imagine how much he's troubled me. So he's saying she has a good tolerance of bullshit.
Okay,
She's kind.
this is the last thing, okay, that I'm gonna make you guys do. Like the last, absolutely. What is your favorite cool move from the songs of Bunty and Bubbly? There's like so many good ones.
Yeah,
Love with you.
Yes, that one.
This
I like it.
is
But I also like that tattoo wala thing. That this. ऐसा
yeah,
wala.
yeah.
Oh, I like that
वो
also.
अच्छा,
वो भी अच्छा.
Okay, that was all, guys. I love this interview. I love this conversation. I love these both. And watch out for the film, guys, on 19th November. And
Thank
I'm
you.
gonna be very excited to watch this. So I hope you guys are as well.
Thank you.